Amen.
How did he only pray? Because you just prayed.
Because he's still in my stomach. You can't hear him. You pray. Come on. It's bedtime.
Jesus, thank you for the wonderful day. Lives. Thank you for food, family. Thank you for kids. And thank you moms and dads. Stores, puppies, cats. And thank you for little dogs. And little baby dogs. And little cats. And little baby parrots. And thank you for anything you make. Thank you for BJ, Ariana, Keone, me, Nana, and Papa, and Sweetie Higgins. And thank you for the grass. And thank you for the trees so we can breathe. And thank you for Jesus that died for us. Thank you. Amen.
Amen. Good night. Yeah, that's an awesome prayer.